Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to always show the scroll bar on your MacBook computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So first thing we're going to do is open up the System Preferences button down in our system dock. So go ahead and left click on the System Preferences button. Give it a moment to load up here. And then you want to select the General button right up here at the top left. So go ahead and left click on that. Where it says show scroll bars, you want to set it to always. And there you go, guys. Simple as that. Just close out of here, and that should be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.